Good morning, this is Zach from Voss Motors. I'm just sending you a quick video of the Tesla that you were emailing us about. So it's the P85, so the bigger battery, a little bit more power, kind of the higher end model for the year. Little carbon fiber wing there. So as far as pricing goes, I'll show you the price in the Carfax right here so you can get a glimpse of the vehicle info. So pricing for this one is $53,388. It's got just over 101,000 kilometers, 102,000 kilometers right now. Now the car proof here is right there, so you have no liens. The liens have been paid off, so this car proof needs to be updated. Damage records found. It'll show you on the side here. Side swipe reported. I don't think any claim was made though. I think it was just paid out of pocket. And then for owners, I believe it is 1, 2, 3 owners. Quebec vehicle. Any other questions you may have on it, definitely give us a call. In terms of your other question for availability, just anytime you wanted to come by to take a look at it, we can go for a test drive. So just give us a call or email us back if you're interested, and we can organize the time for a test drive. Okay, thank you.